Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see ratio word problems for year 5 students. Let's get started. Ratio. The amount of water needed to fill both a pitcher and a flask fully is 2 liters. If the capacity of the flask is 500 ml, find the ratio of the capacity of the flask to the capacity of the pitcher. As we know that the total amount needed to fill a pitcher and a flask is 2 liters. The capacity of the flask is 500 ml. This is in liters and this is in ml. I need to convert this liters into ml. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 2 liters will be, how do you reach from 1 to 2? You are going to do multiplication of 2. The same operation I have to do it on right hand side also, multiplication of 2. 1000 multiplied by 2 will give you 2000 ml. In 2 liters, there are 2000 mls. The capacity of the flask is 500 ml. We will find out the capacity of the pitcher. Because they both make up to 2000 ml, if the flask capacity is 500 ml, to get the capacity of a pitcher, I need to subtract 500 from 2000. If I subtract it, my answer will be 1500 ml. I need to calculate the ratio of flask to the pitcher. The capacity of the flask is 500 ml and the pitcher is 1500 ml. The ratios are same. Can I cancel these two zeros here on both the sides? 5 is to 15. Can I divide both the ratios by 5? I'll get 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. My ratio is 1 is to 3. Let's see the next example here. Find the ratio of the perimeter of a square of side 8 cm to that of a rectangle measuring 20 cm by 12 cm. I need to calculate the ratio of the perimeters of a square and a rectangle. This is a square of side 8 cm. I need to calculate the perimeter of that. We know that all the sides of a square are same. How many sides do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides we have. If one side is 8 centimeters, 4 sides will be 8 times 4. Let's write down the perimeter here. Perimeter of square. 8 times 4, which is equals to 32 centimeter. Let's calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. We know that the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times of 20 plus 12, length plus breadth. That will be equal to 2 times of 20 plus 12 is 32. 2 times of 32 is 64 centimeter. My perimeter of the rectangle is 64 centimeter. I need to calculate the ratio of a square to the rectangle. The perimeter of the square is 32 is to rectangle is 64. I need to take the ratio of that. Can I divide this with 8? I'll divide both the sides with 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Let's write down here as 4 is 2. 8 times 8 is 64. Let's write it here as 8. Here I can divide the ratio with 4 directly. 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 8 divided by 4 is 2. My answer is 1 is to 2. Let's see the next example here. The perimeter of a rectangular field is 204 meters and the breadth is 34 meters. Find the ratio of the perimeter of the field to the length of the field. The perimeter of the rectangular field. So this is your rectangular field with length x and breadth y. What is perimeter of the rectangle? Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times of length plus breadth. This will give you x plus y is equal to 204 divided by 2. We can divide this 2 on this side. If I divide this 204 by 2, 204 by 2, let's divide it. Let's see the first digit here, that is 2 and I am dividing it with 2. It is easily divisible. 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract it. Your answer is 0 here. This 0 will come down here. 2 times of 0 is 0. Let's write down 0 here. This 4 will come down. 2 times of 2 is 4. And your answer is 0. My answer will be 102 meters. X plus Y is equal to 102 meters. He says that the breadth is 34 meters. What is my breadth? My breadth is Y. Y is 34 meters. Let's calculate the length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle will be given by X value. How do we calculate this X? We have X plus Y is equal to 102. X plus Y is 34, which is equals to 102. I need to calculate X. So I move this 34 on right hand side. X is equal to 102 minus 34. I need to subtract it. Let's subtract it here. 102 negative of 34. I need to subtract it. From 2, I cannot subtract 4. I need to take the carryover from here. 0, I can't take the carryover. I need to take the carryover from 1. So 1 will become 0 and this 0 will become 10. Then I need to cancel this 10 and this will become 9 and this will become 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Let's cancel that out here. This will be cancelled out and it will be 0 here. Then this will be 10. Then you cancel this. This will be 9 and this will be 12 here. 12 minus 4 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 68. X is equal to 68 meters. I need to calculate the ratio of the perimeter of the field to the length of the field. What is the perimeter of the field? Perimeter of the field is 204. Let's write down here 204 is to the length of the field is 68. Let's cancel this with 2 here first. Divided by 2 on both the sides. 204 divided by 2. That will be equal to 102 divided by 68 divided by 2. Can we divide it here? 68 divided by 2. This is 6, which is greater than 2. I can easily divide it. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's subtract it. This will be 0. 8 will come down. 2 times 4 is 8. Let's subtract it. This will be 0 here. Your answer will be 34. Let's write down here 34. Can I divide this again with 2 here? 102 divided by 2. Let's divide it here. 102 divided by 2. If I look at the first digit, this is 1, which is less than 2. I can't divide it. Let's take the 2 digits together. 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Let's write down here and subtract it. This will be 0 here. This 2 will come down. 2 times 1 is 2. And if you subtract it, your answer is 0. My answer will be 51. 51 is to 34 divided by 2. Let's do it here. 34 divided by 2. 3 is greater than 2. I can easily divide it. 2 times 1 is 2. Let's subtract it. 1. This 4 will come down and this will be 14 here. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtracted, your answer will be 0. That will be 17. I know the 17 times table. Can I divide this equation with 17? 17 times 3 is 51. So 51 divided by 17 is 3. Let's write down 3 here. 17 divided by 17 is 1. My answer will be 3:1. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.